Hi, my name is Krevas. I want to take you through my Webstack portfolio project pitch. So the project is called VOOCH Image Data Presentation. It's um, a mobile app and web app uh, to help companies manage their image data with features among them an ability to upload an image to a remote database, an ability to view that image that you have uploaded, an ability to update that image, an ability to delete that image, and an ability maybe to share the image, and an ability to save the image, both to um, uh, an ability to save the image to your local device, both maybe in this case that would be your either mobile phone or maybe your desktop or a laptop. So I'll take you through my Google Slides. Thanks. So I'll be going through the project alone. My name is Krevas Rungene. So I will be handling both the front end and the back end. So the inspiration, what sparked the idea, who are we building this for? So you will note that companies deal with images all the time. Uh, so so the project is geared toward helping those companies those companies manage their image data, but the specific focus in this case and the project would be custom made for the OH firm. OH simply means out of home advertising firm. So the companies deal with this data every now and then. So they would want to be the reason this is so important for them is the only way to prove that you did work is through the images. So the clients can ask for the proof of work both when you're submitting an invoice or when you have done the work. So that's why it's an important project solving that problem. So the running objectives, my running objectives by creating this project would be understanding the fundamentals, majorly on JavaScript. Among them would be the things like key concept like ES6. The other thing that I needed to learn would be the database management, synchronous programming, API development, error handling and debugging, collaborative development, and project management. So some of the technologies and that I'll be using for the front end, I'll be using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For the back end, I'll be using JavaScript, Firebase, MongoDB. I'll be using Node, and for the root handling, I mean the API, I'll be using Express. For my mobile app, I'll be using Kotlin, Java. As for the languages, that's for the primarily for the languages. For the IDE, I'll be using Android Studio. I'll also be using Firebase. Thanks. That is my project in a nutshell. So I'll move you to Trello to show you how I've so for week one, so for Trello you will see that I've divided the works in 4 weeks. So there is the week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. So for week 1, this one I intend to handle the user registration and login. We'll also create a landing page. This for both the mobile app and this for both mobile app and the web app. For week 2, this one I will be implementing the web app. As I had mentioned earlier, so some of the features that the web app will have is that the user will have an ability to upload the image. After uploading the image, the user will have an ability to view the image and all the images. That's why I've said creating listing functionality. The user can update those images. They can download and save the images on the device. They can also search. The user can also delete the images. For week 3, I will be handling the mobile app with the same functionality. That is, you can upload an image on the remote database. You can list the images. You can update the images. You can save the images. You can share the images. You can search the images. You can delete the images. And yeah, on the week 4, that's when I'll be doing deployment and testing. Thank you. That's my project. Thanks.